How to fix controller acting like a mouse. I'm going to tell you how to fix your controller acting like a mouse. This usually happens on PC when your controller's input mode is set to emulate a mouse, something Windows can mistakenly trigger. First, unplug and reconnect the controller. If the cursor still moves like a mouse, open Steam if you're using it and go to big picture mode. Head to controller settings and uncheck any configuration support like PlayStation configuration support or Xbox configuration support. These can force mouse-like behavior. Outside of Steam, open Device Manager, find your controller under Human Interface Devices, and disable any listings that says HID compliant mouse. Also, check Windows Settings, Devices, and then Mouse, and see if your controller is listed as a pointer. If so, remove and reconnect it. Worst case, update or roll back the driver. It's a weird bug, but with a few tweaks, you'll have to stick controlling the game, not your cursor.